Som aquí fent camí per salvar tot el món. Si lluitem de valent, vencerem segur. Som aquí i el destí canviarà a partir d'avui. El mal farem fugir. Per tu lluitarem. Cridant si vindrem. El món salvarem. Mai no ens rendirem.
Come on, people! Move it! Put your backs into it. We're still in phys ed here. Just turn. Don't drag your feet.
So, why are we here?
Curious, aren't we, Tenorobia? Come on, let's go.
It's called cyber sports, like with motion sensors.
Real funny, Bellapois. We need to rise to your level. We don't have students anymore, we have geeks.
Maybe you'll finally pass phys ed.
Well, I found a way to make you move using a computer. It's called cyber sports. Hey, let's go. Oh, God damn it. How do you kids work these things?
Ulrich, you okay? Oh no, don't tell me it's about Yumi. You gotta talk to her.
And say what? Hi, Yumi, I love you, you're the girl of my dreams? Sounds great.
Where is the freaking disc thing? This is impossible.
You need to be more suave. Like, hey, Yumi, come here. I've got something to tell you. I love you. It's not that hard.
Great. Got any more bright ideas?
Found it!
I think you meant Cyber Wars, sir.
Can someone tell me what's going on?
Jeremy.
What?
On the screen there's some...
Go, on the count of 3.
Not while he's still here.
Why? William's nice.
I'd prefer not to talk to him.
Parts, conclusion.
Jeremy, I know what I saw.
But that is impossible. We killed Santa last year.
And what if he pulled through?
Gotta go. See you.
Hey, now's your chance.
I love your new haircut.
Thanks.
I mean it.
Bye, William. Ulrich? Ulrich, what's up?
I needed to tell you something important. You know how we used to have the Lyoko Warriors thing? And now I can say this since we're not
Oh
warriors
boy.
and since we don't have missions anymore, maybe we could...
We could.
Jeremy, look, there. Please tell me you saw it.
What did you see?
Something bright, not natural at all. And those lines of code on the library computer. I'm way too familiar with them.
Xana? Didn't we destroy him?
We could turn the supercomputer back on.
To check what? That the school is falling apart and our gym teacher may be insane? We already knew that.
Yeah, the supercomputer, the Lyoko Warriors, that's over now.
Xana may still be alive and you're laughing? Before, you wouldn't have thought twice about it.
Elita's right. Let's go.
This place still scares the hell out of me.
It's freezing in here.
The supercomputer heated the factory, since we turned it off.
Wait a sec. Are you really sure about this? Going back in on Aelita's hunch, are we really going to do this?
But I saw Xana's codes. Turn on the computer or I will.
Yeah, turn on the heat, quick.
So, everything seems in order. Lyoko is back online. Oh crap.
What? Xana?
No, but the forest and ice sectors are gone. Maybe the data got corrupted during the shutdown. I'm going to run a super scan. We'll soon know if Xana is back. Nothing in the data flux. Nothing of the sectors. Well, let's check the towers. Nothing. Not one activated tower. No sign of Xana.
Xana isn't one to leave notes saying, I'm back. Maybe he's hiding in another virtual world.
We destroyed all of the replicas. There's no other virtual worlds like Lyoko. No, if the super scan is negative, it's because Xana's gone. We killed him.
Send me to Lyoko.
Yeah, me too.
But why?
To go to the heart near my father. Before you shut it off again.
Okay. Scanner ready. Prepare for transfer. Scanner Aelita. Scanner on. Virtualization.
Oh man, it's so cool. It's a shame there are no monsters. Hey, where are we going? We're heading towards the maze. Aren't we going to the heart of Lyoko? Hey, stop ignoring me.
So, once they've done their exhibition, you'll shut it back down, right? For good?
Yeah. The hell? Hey, come here. Look at that. Ulrich? Yumi?
Hey Jeremy, could you give me that board?
I love Aelita, but it looks like she only did this to get on Lyoko.
I feel her pain. Oh well. In the end, we killed XANA and all the fighting is done for, right?
Well, yeah, I know that. Hey, wait. You had something you had to tell me, right?
Yeah. Shall we discuss it over a bit of penchoxylat?
Yeah.
So, I was wondering, now that XANA has been exterminated, well, I mean, it would be a shame to let Lyoko go to waste. Let's make it a theme park. Welcome to this world without danger. 3 mysterious sectors await you. Welcome to Lyoko Land! What do you think?
Are you gonna tell me?
Don't rush me.
Ah, great. Some practice after school hours. I love your initiative. The cybersword crap, that's over with. Too virtual. We need contact, tears, sweat, hand-to-hand combat. Well, I'll see you later. I've got some fuses to change.
And then we can make a ghost tunnel. Something spooky with spiders and skeletons everywhere. Hey, little blonde, you're scared, right? Yeah, I know. It's normal. But don't worry. I'll protect you.
Odd, no. You can't use Lyoko to flirt.
Come on, Jeremy, please. They love me here. Come on.
Odd, Aelita, I've got a signal. A tower is activated on Lyoko.
Can you repeat that?
There's an activated tower in Sector 5.
But Sector 5 only has 1 tower, and it's right here. Inactive.
It's a new tower.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Ah, Jeremy, aren't you the one who told us XANA's dead?
I don't get it. The super scan was short. There was nothing. And then this tower appeared.
Oh, great. Thank you for your precious...
Turn right. Now.
Why can't they just use one single switch? That's labeled here. It's this one, here. But no, they need dozen switches everywhere. Let me see. Volt, ampere, watt. Okay.
are you? Alita was right. XANA is back. Come back as soon as possible.
So what? What's up? You gonna tell me?
Okay, I'll tell you. It's kind of hard. It's simple, though. What I feel for you is that It's alright, sir. We're finished practicing, and now we're gonna head out. What the heck? Let me go, sir. I don't feel good.
Hey, let go! You're hurting him! What?
Yumi, I need your help. Everything's fuzzy.
Taking you to the infirmary. It looks bad. Jeremy? What? XANA? A specter?
What?
Run! It's not Jim, it's a specter!
The tower! Oh, I'll take care of this. One down. Oh gosh, I forgot what that felt like. I think we're done with the theme park idea.
I think he gave me a virus when he touched me. That's why I can't see straight.
I'll guide you, okay?
Okay.
Sit down. Yeah, Jeremy? Yeah. Okay. I gotta go. Alita is alone on Lyoko, and we need to get to the tower to destroy the Spectre. Otto'll be here soon, okay? You'll be fine.
Jeremy, I need help. I can't do this on my own. Where can Yumi?
Hold on, Alita. Yumi's coming.
Jeremy, I'm here. Tell Otto to hurry and get to Auric.
Transfer Yumi. What's that? I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Check this out.
It's okay. It's me. Jeremy told me what happened. Jim is a Spectre, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Quick.
Come on, let's go, Alita. Auric is really sick. The Spectre infected him with something.
sorry. It's just that... Watch out. I think he's coming.
Okay, Xana, I'll show you what we can do. What the hell?
Deactivate.
So what's going on? Did we kill Xana, yes or no?
Yes and no. When Aelita, Odd, and Yumi got virtualized, they were surrounded by red halos. I've never seen them before.
Well, go ahead, tell us what they are.
They were codes. Source codes, to be exact. They belonged to Xana. And the moment we thought we destroyed him, he injected the codes into you.
Really?
Yeah, I know it's hard to believe, but the computer is certain. It's positive for Odd, Aelita, and Yumi. There's no reason to be different for Ulrich. Xana injected his codes into you all, and I'm wondering if he sent inspectors in order to get them back.
Why? Why does he need these codes?
He probably survived that way, by injecting us with his codes, and the moment he has them all back, he'll be back to full power, and he'll be able to take over the network.
We'll just have to turn off the supercomputer and then it's over.
No, Xana appeared before we turned it on, so that means he found himself a way other than Lyoko to reach the real world. Turning it off would be running away from the problem. We have to fight back.
The Lyoko warriors are back.